Hello and welcome to the Skillshare class on how to paint sunset scenes. In this class, we will learn to paint 3 different sunset scenes, each with a different landscape. Sunset has forever been one of my favorite things to paint, and I've been painting them ever since I was a child. My process of painting these sunsets has evolved over time, and I want to share it with you all in this class. Hi, my name is Ashwini and I'm an artist based out of Austria. I work mostly with watercolor and gouache. You can find more about me in my profile page and also on my Instagram page. This class is for both beginners and experts, as there's a lot of room to experiment with colorful skies. We will use reference images but simplify it to create simple yet stunning landscapes. First, we'll learn how to paint these spectacular skies and then add in details with just one color, that is black. This class is filmed in real time because I want you to paint along with me. I'll be sharing all the reference images, sketches, and the colors that I've used in this class. Let's dive into this class, shall we?